Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can transform your running board lights from this to this using this integrated LED running board light kit from F150 LEDs. So let's get started. Here is how your integrated LED running board light kit will come, nicely packaged. This is what you'll find inside. Some alcohol pads for cleaning underneath where you're going to be mounting your light strip. An instruction sheet showing you which wires you're going to need to connect your light strip to. Some RTV silicone adhesive, and your light strip. Each light strip will have a different length of wire, so be sure that you install the correct one on the proper side. The one with the longer wire harness is going to be on the driver's side, and the light strip with the shorter wire will be on the passenger side. You're also going to receive these 4 quick connect wire harnesses, making connections very simple. Now before beginning installation of your LED light kit, it's very important to have a clean surface. You're going to be running your light strip up underneath this area here, so be sure to thoroughly clean that area before you go ahead and start applying your LED light strip. Once you have that area thoroughly cleaned underneath, wipe it down with the supplied alcohol pad. Now with your light kit laid out on your running board, peel back about 1 foot of the 3M adhesive backing tape. Then take your RTV silicone and apply a light bead of silicone along this. That'll help secure your light strip underneath for many years to come. Now that you have your silicone bead under, you want to place your strip up underneath to the front and centered and hold it there for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. And then repeat that process every 1 to 2 feet alongside your strip until it's secured all the way down along the whole length. As you're installing it, keep pressing up on your light strip here, and you want to run it right along the edge of your weather stripping seal here, or somewhere in between this area here and your weather stripping. Keep pressure on this area for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Here's a little tip. Have yourself a rag handy so you can wipe your fingers off from the silicone if you get any on your hands. Make sure you're not spreading it all over your running boards or the inside or outside of your vehicle as well. Now that we have the light strip run underneath, we'll go around to the other side and repeat the same process. The next step is you're going to want to pull off this rear trim piece right here. It just snaps in. Now that you have this trim piece removed, you want to take a 5/32 drill bit and drill through the center of this white tab right here, and that is how you can feed the wires up from underneath. Now take the wire, feed it underneath your trim here, and then take it and run it behind the rear seat to the passenger side. Once you have this driver's side wire run underneath this piece of trim through the back seat into the passenger side, it's time to replace this piece of trim. Align these 2 front tabs with the 2 slots here and just press it in place. Now that we have both wires run over to the passenger side and we have this access panel removed, we're going to need to carefully remove this tape so we can access the wire harness to connect these 2 loose ends to it. Now that I have the tape removed and the wire harness accessible, I'm going to locate the black and yellow wire and the gray and violet wire and attach these loose ends with the supplied quick connect wire harnesses. Before connecting to your wiring harness, please refer to the wiring diagram supplied by F150 LEDs. There are two ways you can activate the integrated LED running board lights. The first way is by unlocking your doors, and this will allow you to come up to your vehicle and be able to see where you're stepping. The second way that the lights will be activated is by opening up any of your doors. And the lights will stay on as long as your dome lights are on inside. Once you close the door, and your dome lights will dim along with your LED running board lights. Not only does this integrated LED running board light kit add a nice accent to your vehicle, but it also adds safety when entering and exiting as well. The installation took approximately 60 minutes. It's best to take your time, do a proper job, and you'll be happy with the results in the end. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.